Let's be honest, getting consistent traffic is probably one of the hardest parts of running an online business. Paid ads can get expensive, SEO often takes months to show results, and social media algorithms seem to change every other week. So, when a product claims it can help you attract targeted visitors using Google's own ecosystem, it's definitely worth taking a closer look. That's exactly what the Google Click Hack is all about. It's a beginner-friendly training program created for affiliate marketers, online entrepreneurs, freelancers, e-commerce sellers, and anyone who wants to discover another way to generate traffic without relying completely on paid advertising. Instead of introducing a complicated marketing system, the course walks you through a simple process for creating Google-based digital assets that can help your content get discovered by people who are already searching for related topics. One thing I like is that everything is explained step by step, so even if you're completely new to online marketing, you shouldn't feel overwhelmed. The training shows you how to build what the creators call digital real estate, connect it with your affiliate links, products, services, or other offers, and then position those assets where they have the opportunity to attract visitors. Since the same strategy can be used for affiliate marketing, digital products, local businesses, e-commerce stores, CPA offers, and more, it's a flexible approach rather than something that's locked into one niche. Another nice benefit is that it focuses on free traffic methods, which could help reduce marketing costs while giving you another traffic source alongside SEO or paid ads. That said, it's important to keep your expectations realistic. This isn't a magic button that instantly sends thousands of visitors to your website. Like any marketing strategy, you'll still need to follow the training, create useful content, test what works, and stay consistent. The product itself also makes it clear that results will vary depending on your effort, experience, and the market you're in, and I think that's a fair and honest disclaimer. So, is the Google Click Hack worth checking out? In my opinion, if you're looking to learn another traffic strategy and you're open to putting in the work, it certainly looks interesting. The biggest strengths are its beginner-friendly approach, simple setup process, flexibility across different business models, and focus on creating reusable digital assets instead of depending on a single traffic source. I also like that it doesn't require expensive software or advanced technical skills, making it accessible for most people. On the flip side, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The exact strategy isn't revealed until you purchase the course, so you'll need to trust the training before seeing every detail. Also, while the initial setup may be quick, getting consistent traffic still takes patience and ongoing optimization. No legitimate marketing course can promise guaranteed results, and this one doesn't either. Overall, I think it's best suited for beginners, affiliate marketers, content creators, freelancers, and small business owners who want to diversify their traffic sources without spending a fortune on ads. If that sounds like you, it could be a worthwhile addition to your marketing toolkit. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, you'll find the official website linked in the video description below. Just to be transparent, that's my affiliate link, which means if you decide to purchase through it, you'll receive 12 exclusive bonus resources from me at no extra cost. Your bonuses will be delivered automatically through your JVZoo purchase dashboard after your purchase has been confirmed.